I'm Stefani Bardin, and this is a picture of me sitting in a lab in Massachusetts General Hospital in Boston in late June, right before my collaborator, Dr. Braden Kuo of Harvard University, and I are about to embark on the first ever clinical trial to look at the impact of processed food versus whole food on the human body. The content from this trial, the second trial was conducted in September of 2011, is the basis for my project. This is the M2A capsule, which stands for mouth to anus, and contains a camera, light-emitting diodes, and a transmitter. Like Bluetooth technology, it wirelessly transmits images from the GI tract to a receiver pack worn by the subject. It has an 8-hour battery life and creates a stop-motion video from the mouth to the top of the small intestine. This is the smart pill, which also has batteries and transmitters, but instead of a camera, it has sensors, which numerically measures the pressure, which is the contraction of the alimentary canal, plus pH value and temperature of the GI tract. The battery life is indefinite. For our trial this summer, we used the following 2 meals. One subject ate the processed meal, the other subject ate the whole food meal. The subjects swallowed the pills and then ate the meals. The subject and meals were switched in September, so the subjects, in effect, became the controls for the study as well. Here are our preliminary findings from June. You can see the green tinting of the GI tract on the left. That would be from the blue Gatorade. It gets its color from the artificial ingredient Brilliant Blue, or Blue Number 1, which is derived from aromatic hydrocarbons from petrochemicals. That's why the presence of the color is still recognizable. It's made from oil. Since artificial colorings and flavorings are considered the intellectual property of a company, manufacturers are not required to divulge this information, since it could potentially do economic harm to their business if somebody stole their trade secrets. We made the noodles on the right with water, salt, and eggs and flour from the farmer's market. The noodles on the left contain, among the other 15 ingredients, TBHQ, which is the acronym used to describe tertiary butyl hydroquinone, which is an antioxidant that comes from petroleum and is related to butane. You know, the gas used to fill cigarette lighters? Notice how the shape of the ramen noodle is still apparent on the left, and the handmade ramen noodles on the right are no longer recognizable as noodles, even after 2.5 hours. That's because top ramen is made to survive Armageddon. Our homemade ramen noodles are made to be eaten. The incentive for this project is to try and present unseen and often veiled information about our food system in unexpected ways, so the public is armed with as much knowledge as possible in order to make informed choices about the food they eat. The collateral benefit has been to actively influence medical and scientific protocols. Artists and doctors and artists and scientists should work together more often. Thank you so much for watching this video.